Hello and welcome to Home Cooking Spain. Today's lunch I'm going to be cooking chicken thighs, chorizo, mushrooms, oven baked in a plastic bag. So let's begin. So the first thing that we'll do is turn the oven on. We're going to preheat it up and down and 200 degrees. And it'll be there for about 15 minutes while we get this all mixed up. Okay, so I've got one of these plastic oven bags. I had to order these off the internet. They're quite expensive really. They work about €1 each one. Try to find there it is. Because I couldn't find them here in the supermarket. So, good old internet. Right, let's open it up like that, because we're going to stuff it. Is the camera working? Yeah. Right, so I've got one chorizo, roughly. These are long ones, but say it's one. And I've cut it into 3 bits. I've got 4 pieces of chicken thighs. I don't usually use these, but I think they're ideal for this. Okay, so then I've got about 3 or 4 mushrooms, which I've quartered. About 3 garlic cloves, finely chopped. Obviously, you can use more or less. It's all up to you, you know. As I'm cooking it, for me, I'm doing how I like it. Then I've got a bit of red pepper, which I've chopped also. Some onion, finely chopped also, roughly finely chopped. I leave all the ingredients below, you know. What next? Okay, 200 grams of rice. What a mess. Then I'm going to add a teaspoon of sweet paprika, or you can use the spicy one if you like. I must remember to buy some. Next, I'll add some black pepper. Some salt. Some rosemary. About a teaspoon, half a teaspoon. I don't know if I mentioned this, but I'll leave all the ingredients below in the description. This is some thyme. Oh, forgot my watch. Then I'll add in about 1 tablespoon of good old olive oil. And finally, I'll add what's this? 100? I think it was 150. Yeah, 150 milliliters of chicken broth, or that's about just under 6 ounces. Did I mention this? But the oven, it's preheating at 200 degrees centigrade, which I think it's 390 Fahrenheit. But as usual, I'll leave it up here somewhere. Okay, So all the ingredients are done. Cheers. By the way, I've got a tie here to look it up, and I'm just using one of these Pyrex baking oven proof dishes, which I'm going to put that in there, Right, so let the fun part begin. Which what I want to do, I don't know, I wonder if I could lock it without this, putting a nut. Now I'll do it like I've been doing it the last few weeks. I've only just discovered these bags a couple of weeks ago, and I buy these in the shop. It's like barbecue, but this for chicken. It's got a bag in here already, and then all the mix, and you just add it all, and that's it. Good Sunday dinner. This is the hard part with this. I wish they made it easier, That's why I wanted to tie it. Well, yeah, that's okay. Right, so what I want to do is mix this all in. It's amazing, isn't it? How you can stick a plastic bag in the oven and it doesn't disintegrate. That would be a nightmare, wouldn't it? Right, I reckon this is all done, isn't it? So what I'll do next is chuck that in there. Just to hold it, and just try and spread it as much as I can, Alright, so we're going to chuck this in the oven. Remember, 200 degrees centigrade, 390 Fahrenheit, and for 1 hour without taking it out or mixing it about or nothing. Just chuck it there for 1 hour. Okay, so this is ready. Whoa, steamy. Let's tear this off. And pull it out. You can see I've got my gloves. I bought these for my stove, but I'm using it for this as well. Whoa, this must be really hot. Look like Spider-Man gloves, don't they? Look at that. What I'm going to do is just put it on the side. It's hard to record at the same time and do this. I'll put this on the side here. And this, because what I want to do is put that in here. So let's tear this off for a minute. What I think I'll do is, got me scissors here. Let's put that on there. And probably gets a lot of steam coming out here. They're not very good, these scissors, for this. Ah! God, that steam. You know what? Sod that. Bloody hell, what's this made of? It's not plastic. They lied to me. Put that in the bin. And what I'm going to do, God, that smells bloody good. I'm going to put my gloves on again. This is the only problem with these, cooking in these bags. It can get a bit dodgy, you know, a bit dangerous, you know, like. Oh, look at that steam. Don't know if you can see it there. Maybe it's my vision after them wines I had. This is the only thing, it's really hard, you know, to get it all out. Because it's so hot and you can really seriously burn yourself. Whoa, look at that. Let's put this in the bin. And get these out. The good thing about these gloves is that you won't, you know, you can... Oh, by the way, before I carry on, you can also use... you can do this in the microwave. Because them bags work in the microwave. But anyway, it's bloody hot though. My wife's here. It's nice though. I'm going to take some photos and I'll knock the video on the head for now. Well, that's today's lunch sorted out. Many thanks for watching and see you soon. Cheers.